Hey there, it's David Chinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. It is November 1st, which means we have to start prepping our homes for the winter months. I know it sounds like it might be a little early, but it is getting colder outside and the leaves are falling. So today's home tip, which I'm doing a new series, is preparing your home for the winter months. So today's home tip is to clean out your eaves. Yes, with all the falling leaves, falling left and right. I was in my backyard the other day and that's all I heard was leaves falling constantly, and looking at my gutters, and I realized I need to clean my gutters, hence why I thought of this home tip. Why do you need to clean out your gutters now? Well, if it takes too long, first of all, they get really gross, so you don't want to wait too long. But if you don't clean out your gutters, what happens is that they get filled with all the eaves, and then the water doesn't flow through your gutters the way it's supposed to. And then when the winter hits, if the water doesn't flow correctly, it'll start to freeze, also gets filled with tons of snow. But what that does is, once your leaves and your snow gets filled with all of that weight, it puts a lot of pressure on your eaves troughs, and eventually they will start to crack and probably fall off, and it'll cost you a lot more money in the long run. So yeah, that's my home tip today, is to clean out your eaves troughs before it gets too cold outside. Have a great day. Bye for now.